Unlock a fountain of rejuvenation straight from your kitchen with the power of parsley. When transformed into a refreshing juice, this humble leafy green is not just a detoxification marvel but also an effective skin health booster and a potential aid in preventing certain health conditions. Here's an insight into the benefits you can reap from this green elixir. Detoxification and kidney stones prevention. Parsley, a natural diuretic, aids your body in flushing out excess water and toxins, helping in the prevention of kidney stones formation. Gallstones prevention. Parsley juice can increase bile flow, potentially thwarting the formation of gallstones. This process simultaneously enhances liver detoxification. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Parsley juice, packed with antioxidants like luteolin, apigenin, and others, can reduce inflammation in your body and protect your cells from the damaging effects of free radicals. Skin health. Parsley juice invigorates and rejuvenates your skin. It's rich in vitamin C, crucial for maintaining a youthful and healthy complexion as it supports the skin's production of collagen. Vitamin powerhouse. Parsley juice brims with a variety of vitamins, including K, A, and C. These vitamins enhance immunity, strengthen bones, and promote heart health. For maximum benefits, it's recommended to combine parsley juice with lemon. Lemon, being rich in vitamin C, further amplifies the detoxification process. Now, how do you make this healthful drink? Ingredients: 1 bunch of fresh parsley, 1 to 2 cups of water, 1 lemon. Preparation: thoroughly wash the parsley and roughly chop it. Add the chopped parsley to a blender or juicer. Add the water. Blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. Strain the mixture to separate the juice from the pulp. Optionally, add the juice of a lemon to add to the flavor and health benefits. Serve and enjoy. How should you consume parsley juice? Ideally, you should consume a glass of parsley juice on an empty stomach each morning. Maintain this routine for 10 consecutive days, once every 3 months. After each 10-day course, it's advisable to give your body some rest. Remember, always consult a healthcare professional before embarking on any health regimen. Some people may be allergic to parsley, and it can have adverse effects on pregnant women and individuals with kidney disease. Therefore, if you have any health conditions or if you're pregnant, consult your doctor before starting a parsley juice regimen.